Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Teams with the error code CAA20004 in Windows computer. So this error CAA20004 can disrupt your login or access to features, and the cause of CAA 20004 error are Microsoft account login credentials, glitch in Azure Active Directory, unstable internet connections, and outdated or cached informations. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to clear Windows credentials. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. So here at search for apps, and then you need to type this credential manager. Alright, so you can see now here the credential manager, and then click open. And once you open up this credential manager, under here at manage your credentials, and then you need to select this Windows credential. And then here at Windows credentials, and then you need to locate or find this Microsoft Teams. So all you have to do is to select this Microsoft Teams, click this arrow, and then we need to remove this credential. So you need to select this remove, and then delete Windows credentials, and then click yes. Alright, so once you delete this Windows credentials, Microsoft Teams, and the other solutions we will do is to update your Windows. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then type settings, and then click open. And once you open up the system settings at left side menu, and then you need to select this Windows update. In here, we need to download or install the new latest updates on our Windows computer. Okay, so just select this retrieve all, or the other option here is we need to select this advanced option. And then here at additional options, and then you need to complete the installations or downloading the new updates at optional updates. So click. And then you need to install these other updates, check this box, and then click download or install. Alright, so once you do this, once it's complete, and then close at here at start menu, and then we need to restart your PC. Okay, so that's it guys on how to fix Microsoft Teams with the error code CAA20004 in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.